Môn ở khní bị tha xạ mò ao chỉ vượt ông lê cái thảm mạch và vốn thọp lưu sô bị ấy vốn ngày nay trong tờ xạ mò ao chỉ vượt tịch mơ rồi chỉ vượt ông vượt về nhé nhảy tao ông lê miên bị tha xạ mò ao chỉ vượt được ọt hay nick chôm xôm mà đọ song pi sẽ phơi clear sun từ đây bị xẻ muối nó không nên miên về vô lo ra mà trong con là gì mà phải vô cái cứ bị tha xạ mò ao chỉ vượt ý ông lê cái miên á bông vốn miền ọt đấy á cứ cái pra bị thảm ấy to recharge one's batteries. Ông bảo bị thảm batteries cứ mỏ rồi one ní ban đây thà robot là nam này one time opportunity ấy nhé vì tầm năng ở bị thà your my her our ấy à nhé chẳng recharge phải thà sạc bởi vì bị thọ pel tu sắp dương recharge vì ở vì miền cầm lăng mà đòn tiền chẳng ông lấy cái miền mùi đái cứ recharge one's battery xá thọ nó bỏ nào mình nè tại này vô mình đây là bảo biết cứ xả thọ chỉ vật là ngày ba này vô mình đây viết rằng mất ở lấy vô mà mơ biển này bà nếu cứ chia này vô mình đấy này ca phải vô biển tha recharge one's battery cái một thì họ chẳng biển tha recharge one's battery bằng này thá to rest and relax for a period of time so that you feel energetic. Biết thá energetic đây thầm miên cầm lặng again mà đòn tiệt miên tham mà pull. Thọc là sự biết energy bằng vốn bạn. Chẳng nếu giống mình này để biết thá xạ thầm gì vớt cứ rest and relax vậy thá sầm rá hai nâng lùm hè for a period of time. Biết thá a period of time vậy thá rồi dạy bề khẩy. Nam vốn á a period of time mà rồi dạy bề khẩy so that đôi chân này you feel energetic again. Nét miên là rõm thà miên thà mà pull làng vịch. Biết thà feel energetic again vậy thà miên thà mà pull làng vịch. Miên rõm thà miên cầm lăng cầm hai làng vịch. Chân chia rùa máu to rest and relax for a period of time so that you feel energetic again. Nè, sầm ra năng làm hai rồi dạy bề khẩy. Đôi chân này hai nét năng miên là rõm thà miên cầm lăng làng vịch. Ní hai cứ chia nị dung mình nấy nấy bị thá recharge one's batteries. Tỏ, lấy dân cho một tí ho mùi. Vì dạng mạch ưu tí ho này cho một tí ho ná I am going to the sea to recharge my batteries. Chẳng si lại đi cứ sầm mọt bà này tha dương vừa thưa ca nó gõ còn là ca charge recharge xạ thmò chỉ vật bỏ dương nó việc khó khăn đi nè class có đa linh sầm mót tơ nè class tôi có xạ thmò gì vật đạn chết ấy chân thâu nè class tôi xạ thmò gì vật ấy tam sinh bỏ kỹ tay à vây để trong lơ chun bom ổn ấy cứ dừng thưa ưu tí họ trâu tầm rung rồi bỏ vì I am going to the sea khi nhóm nâng tàu lên sầm mót nè tầm mơ tức sầm mót đáp chùm riêng to recharge my battery nè nè sầm nói cho sầm khăn mình tên này ai cái này mà lâu thì họ thanh niên mình mấy Lisa mà ly nè mấy is bà sân chỉ she is going to the sea to recharge tiếng she ở đây đô tầm mấy tôi chỉ her batteries hay batteries là gì chẳng tại đây là đô thì okay so I just want to tell you that I'm so tired and I have 3 days off. I am going to the sea to recharge my batteries. Okay, ta bong phốt chui dễ ưu tí ho mũi thật. Ta bong phốt xạ thmò chỉ vật bạp ná. Chạm chui comment rạp trong phòng, okay? Hãy bong phốt chui share với ta ôn đi phong. Ngày nay dân riêng ta một bịa tế cứ recharge one's battery. Recharge my battery, recharge her battery.
Hello, hi guys. Very good morning, my beloved students. This is a video in English to you guys, sharing about how to improve our English. I will talk about how to study from these books. How do I will share with you about my experience, but I will speak in English like in this book. Actually, if you have this book, you can read it here. When you start learning English and you feel sad And I write in this book about my background, where I started learning English, but I will share with you guys. My students ask me, teacher, have you ever been exhausted and then you want to give up? I am a human being. I still feel sad. I feel like I lose hope. Nobody support me. I have no family. Blah, 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 blah. I also want to give up. So how can I continue? How can I keep going? I ask myself that if I give up, if I stop learning, where I'm going to do, where I'm going to, and what I'm going to do if I stop learning. So nature gives us the same 24 hours, no matter who you are. You are king, you are prime minister, you are a businessman, you are a farmer, you are a vendor, a construction worker, a monk. No matter who you are, nature gives us 24 hours. It's fair, right? So, okay, I am poor, I have no money, I have no family. So what should I do? So at least I have one life to live or to face with this world. I have one life to be a set. So I say, okay, my life depends on learning. So, from the time on, even though I feel exhausted, I want to give up, but at least I have to keep going. So talking about English, what should we do? Where should we start to learn? How can we improve our English ability? According to my experience, I started learning English when I was around 18. I was a youth already, but now I'm become an old man already. Okay, just want to share with you, I focus on 6 things to improve my English. First thing that I have to do, I focus, is that I have to focus on grammar. No, not grammar actually. Vocabulary. Vocabulary is the first thing to do that we need to improve. So how do you learn your vocabulary? How can you improve your vocabulary? Vocabulary is the key factor in developing our 4 skills. If you don't know vocabulary, how can you use it to read? It's very important for 4 skills: reading, speaking, listening, and writing. Vocabulary is the best thing you need to do first. So how do you learn vocabulary? First thing you have to do is that you learn daily vocabulary first, and you don't have to memorize it. For example, you meet one word and then you memorize blah 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 blah, and then you will forget it. So when you learn vocabulary, you have to make sure our pronunciation. I'm sure we cannot speak like a native speaker if we do not start our class with native speaker when we are too young. Like me, I started learning English when I was around 18. So it was so hard to train our pronunciation, to sharpen our speaking. But anyway, don't be shy. When we learn a new word, we have to learn how to check, how to spell that word, how to pronounce it, because sometimes it's a little bit confused thing with pronunciation with English. So IPA, you have to learn start from beginning. You have to learn from something like this. You have to learn that one first, and then when you meet a new word, you check vocabulary, you check it, pronunciation, and then you make your own sentences. You have to make your own sentences. Learn a new word, make it your own sentences. If you are not sure with grammar, it's okay. At least you learn a new word, you write your own sentences. Don't just memorize or learn a phrase or sentences from your teacher. It is your it belongs to your teacher. It is not yours. So if you learn a new word, write it down as your own sentences. Okay? learn vocabulary, check your pronunciation, write your own sentences, and put it into a real practice. Okay? And so remember, vocabulary is very important. You have to focus on it. So how can you learn? Because there are too many vocabulary or too many English words. You have to set your time. Like one day you learn 1 or 2 words. That's enough. And then practice it. For me, I practice it before going to bed. I review my vocabulary. And after I get up, I practice speaking. So I make a mistake with English grammar. It's okay. I just keep going. I'm trying my best. Okay. So second thing, don't just learn word, learn phrases. Learn phrases. Phrases something like it go together. Speaking in the phrases. For example, we use the word good at. Good and at. Right? It is a phrase like good at English. Good at English means you are the, you can speak English, you are skillful with that one. You say good at English, like, oh, my friend is good at English. I am not good at English. You can say I am poor at English. So you can learn 2 phrases, good at English and poor at, or bad at, whatever. Okay, so learn it in phrases. And the third one, learn collocation word. Very important. Very important. For example, we learn like take a photo, take a nap, right? Take a bath, take a shower, okay? Take advantage. So this is collocation that go together. You should learn. It's also very important. It is in my here phrases. Okay, we learn here. In this there are many phrases. Okay, and one more. After you learn collocation, you learn phrasal verb, and then you start learning grammar. Grammar is also important, but I think grammar is also important. But if you for beginner, you have to focus on vocabulary, phrases, daily English that use for speaking in order to build up your basic English first. Sometimes maybe focus too much on grammar. You feel sad when you don't understand. When you make a mistake, you cannot talk because you are afraid that you will make a mistake in English. So grammar we can learn, but you have to know word, vocabulary, collocation, and then start learning grammar. But the most important thing for English learner to do is keep practicing. Put it into a real practice. You learn vocabulary, you learn how to pronounce, but you have to speak it out. Don't be sad, okay? Don't be sad. Keep going. And then when you say you don't have time because you blah blah blah, you are like this, you are like that. Actually, nature gives us the same 24 hours. In 24 hours, please put some space for yourself to learn. If you really want to know English, ask yourself if you really want to know English or not. So after asking yourself that you really want to know English, so in 24 hours, please put some space for yourself to learn it. And keep going, keep fighting, step by step. There is no shortcut way to success. It requires you to give, to put on or to keep going. I am sure if you still keep going, keep fighting, keep learning, your English will be better from day to day, from time to time. Keep going, keep fighting, okay? That's all for today. See you next time.